Bula Vinaka, everyone! Guess who it is? That's right, Baron and Brent Bruno, Professionals Fiji Real Estate. We're checking out some of these incredible boats over here on Fantasy Island. Anybody who grew up in the 80s knows Fantasy Island. That's right, well this one's actually in Fiji on the main island of Viti Levu. Only about 15 minutes from the international airport. Which one of these boats would you like? So many awesome boats right here. Well, guess what? We're standing right on a residential block, and you can put your boat right here, or maybe you want to put it right here, or I don't know, maybe right over there. Well, the great thing is it's your choice, and these lots are provisioned to do just that. And they will take you right around here, all the way out to Nadi Bay, and you can see some of the masts. You see right over there? That is Denarau Island. So those boats just over there are Denarau Island, where our office is located. Professionals Fiji Real Estate, and a lot of great restaurants, retail, shopping, coffee shops, wine bars, all those amazing things. And you can actually get that right here in Nadi Town, which is super close by. So you have the greater Nadi area, Martintar and Maka, and the Nadi domestic and international airports are literally super close by. If you're coming to Fiji full-time or part-time with your family, or you're looking for an awesome investment, where we are standing on right now is an epic opportunity to build some units. And you can see just next to us there, they're actually doing some building. And there's a huge house over here as well. Some apartment units off that side. Got some good friends that are actually living over here and on this street. And you have all the utilities accessing the property. So mains, water, sewage, and power right here. You can see one of the electrical boxes right here. And street lights, tar sealed roads, easy access. Birds are flying around, sun is shining, not a cloud in the sky. Look at this. Okay, maybe there's some clouds over there, but it is gorgeous out here today. And we are on about 1,300 square meters of flat graded surveyed land ready to build right here on Fantasy Island. And bonus, if you are looking to maybe build something bigger, well, guess what? We have the lot here that I'm standing on, and then one just next door, both around 1,300 square meters. So if you got both, you're probably around 2/3 of an acre that you can build right here. So, and you can see what they've done across the way there. And we know that building, they rent very, very well. A lot of people that are coming to Fiji who have to work either at or near Nadi International Airport love Fantasy because you have direct water access. So people with boats love this place. And a lot of the pilots that come and work for Fiji Airways, and I'll bet you know one of the best partners of Fiji Airways is Professionals Fiji Real Estate. That's right. And look, they're doing some clearing right over there. There you go. Always doing work out here. Fantasy Island master plan, gated community. Been in the works for over 28 years. Guy behind this is a really great guy, and is just always rolling up his sleeves and thinking of great things to do. They're putting a museum in here, and they have some new shops that are planned. And just on the other side, if we look down there, this is that tar sealed road that'll take us out to the main Denarau Island bypass road and into town. We actually have that house available for sale as well. That's right, and that's actually the beach. Just on the other side of that house right there is a beach. So, and you can see the nice cement culverts in here. So the infrastructure is all here for utilities and beach access. Everybody at near the sunset, you'll see people walking dogs and drinks in hand. And you can see just over there, they're also building some additional apartments. So again, single family, multi-unit. I'll just show you, there's another home right there, and one that's getting completed next to it. Building is happening here. This could be, actually look, there you go. Your new car's just sitting right here. Nice Range Rover. That's what we're dealing with. So we're waiting for you to get here. Lots to think about. Also on the other side over there, you can see some of the barges doing some work. You have some commercial and industrial lots out here. So if you want to set up your business, you can even have your commercial and industrial businesses right over there. We have a lot of good friends of ours who are running businesses out there, sending barges out to all the Mamanutha and the Asawa Islands to make sure that everybody out there in those 5-star resorts has all the goods and services that they need. So our star agent is on his way back here. So with that, we're going to say Vinaka Vakalevu. Thank you, everyone. We hope you will contact us. We'd love to hear from you. Go to professionalsfiji.com and call us +679-999-2051, or here's a new number for you to memorize, +679-974-3329. VIP Asbar right here. So Asbar has a couple great lots, and he's waiting for you to call him as well. Press freeze on your computer, take that jacket off, go get a cold drink, press rewind, grab your friends and your family members and tell them right here is where I am going to build my tropical dream home or my Airbnb rental apartments, because if I want to come to Fiji, I want to have a place to stay when I go out surfing, or when I go out fishing, or when I go out on my boat, or all my resorts I want to check out. And I'll have some income properties just here waiting for me, so I get to make some money also. How amazing is that? Woohoo! All right, everybody. Tatokandina. Inakavakalevu. This is it. Fiji style. All right. Have an amazing day. See, look at these guys. They're working. They're waiting for you. See? All right. Never a dull moment here in Fiji. All right. We love you guys. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Inaka.